Hello children, before we have learned the dust of snow, but today we are going to learn the poem Fire and Ice from the book First Flight. Let's see what it is. Dust of Snow is written by Robert Frost, and the poet name here Fire and Ice is also Robert Frost. Just we talk about the author. Robert Lee Frost, his birth was March 26, 1874, was an American poet. His work was initially published in England before it was published in America. He was awarded the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. On July 22, 1961, Frost was named Poet Laureate of Vermont. See here the poem Fire and Ice it is the two stanzas of two possibilities written by the poet. Here let's see what it is about written. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. See children, here the first two words of this line, some say, are pronouncing the same similar way, and here you can say it is a favor fire. Yes, this is about some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So the first stanza is here the poet discusses the destructive features of human emotions, the uses the symbol of fire and ice to show how desires and hatred contribute to making the world stand at the verge of chaos or destruction. So here the poet tells about the human destructions happening in the world. He compared the destructions with the fire and ice. Yes, fire and ice. What is the fire and ice? He compares the fiery passions. Fire means cruelty, violence, and greed, and whereas ice are the cold feelings, hatred, indifference, and insensitivity. So here the poet compares the fire and ice with two different things, substances, that is fire and ice, which leads the human destructions happening in the world, which ends with these destructions. Yes. So here the poet tells about the two destructions of fire and ice. The first stanza is Robert Frost states that it has two schools of thought holding contrary opinions of how the world would meet its end. Intense heat means intense heat due to of sun. Yes, the heat from the sun, overheat from the sun, and intense heat due to inside the land. What happens is due to like volcanoes, earthquakes. These all due to of heat. Yes, let's see. Go to the second stanza. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of heat to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. Yes, see children, here the first stanza is about here the destruction caused due to of fire, and the second is due to of ice. Some like fire and some like ice. Yes, here fire is nothing but we told that it is the cruelty, violence, and greed in the humans. Yes, and the second is here the humans some love ice. Ice is the cold feelings, that is hatred, indifference, and insensitivity. So here the whole world may end due to of these two, fire and ice. This is what the Robert Frost discusses about the world and human destructions and human feelings, inner feelings caused, which here the Robert Frost compared with fire and ice. So just go through the question answers, get an idea about this, and I will give you the notes. Please note it in your notebook. Thank you.